This is one of our customers' trailer, and back to the factory to do the maintenance of the trailer. And let's take a look from the exterior. It's an experienced trailer, and we can see there are mud on the trailer. He is using US standard off-road hitch. And from the outside, it's very brilliant also. And later we will go through the interior. I'm just go through the exterior for you guys. This is the outside and the back side. You see there are some stuffs in the rear luggage. See here, smooth. This is, I think this trailer is over 2 years experience. Let's check the off-road independent system. This is the pop-up side tent, and this is the side tent. It's pretty different. Now we are using a aluminum box with the 3 meters by 3 meter side tent. And you see this is the stainless steel rack. There's no surface treatment in the previous, but you know this is the high quantity stainless steel. It has a better corrosion resistance. So let's take a look for the inside. We will have more inspirations. And now you see here there is a mesh. You see, we can custom made this. See here, just make a set, and then you have a hook here, and then you have this. So it's very convenient. This is the inside decoration. Yeah, this is the restroom here, and the teak floor. They can do some custom designs for themselves inside. This is the inside. It's very new, and I suppose they changed the mattress here. This is the previous air conditioner position. It's quite different. And here you see they make a and this place they can put some stuffs for their daily use. And over there is another thing there. Yeah, this is their custom design. So let's take a look. And this is also a and here this is their daily life use, and a portable toilet inside. And over there, that is a off-road chairs and tables they put inside. Refrigerator there, so they have so this is their daily life use trailer for their family. And there's the control panel here, so you can have your creation for the inner side decoration. So this is the overview of this customer trailer.